Hello traders, today I want to show you how to find high probability setups and perfect entries. Again, I explain it by an example. This is the 4-hour chart, Euro USD. The 4-hour time frame is my master time frame. On this time frame, I'm looking for market structure and direction. On this chart, you can clearly see that we have a bullish structure. Okay, we are breaking this high, first this resistance, then this high. And what I do now is I find the last leg that broke structure, and then I mark it with a Fibonacci that has just one line added to it, and this is the 50%. Why? Because I want to trade the pullback. I want to find an entry when price comes into this red area here, where price is cheap. This is what you might know as premium and discount areas. The question now is, at which point do we expect the price to rise again? The answer is simple. We are looking for an area of consolidation. At these points, we have the highest volume. Of course, I'm choosing this area because it is in the discount. Now we can fine-tune the point where we had the highest volume by applying a fixed volume profile to the consolidation area like that. Then I adjust it even more where the volume is really thick. And then in replay mode, I check if the price is coming down to this area and is not closing below. Okay, it is coming down and closing quite exactly at this area. That's a good sign, and we could go ahead and just enter a buy trade at this point. Same time frame, entry at the closing price, stop loss at the previous swing low. And for the take profit, I try to find a level that is above 1-to-1 risk to reward, and that is a fresh, untested level of, in this case, resistance. A trade like that often works, but it is risky, because we have no confirmation that price is really going higher and doesn't continue to go down and stopping us out when it is going below this previous low. The next option to enter is to wait for the next candle to close. In this case, this is a doji, an indecision candle, so we could enter here with a buy stop to increase the probability. So you enter while the next candle is playing out and goes above the high of this indecision candle. The stop loss are set to the candle's low and the take profit as before. The last option for entering on this time frame is to wait for the next candle to close and just enter if we get a reversal pattern like this bullish engulfing. In this case, it works, the probability is high, but in many cases the price at the close of the candle has already risen too high to enter the trade. So I'll show you now how I enter the trade. I guess this is what you are waiting for. I go to a lower time frame, for example the 15 minutes. I let the price play out and then I wait for a level of resistance that is broken to the upside. Why? Because this is the first indication that this downtrend on the 15 minutes is going to reverse. And here it happens. This resistance is broken and also this high is taken out. Nice, but the bullish structure has not yet formed. What I want to see now is a higher low. Okay, this looks good, it is at least a fractal. But the higher low is confirmed only if the price is going higher than the previous high. So I enter the trade and now listen, I enter the trade if price is going above this point and is not taken out the previous low. Take profit as before, stop loss to the previous swing low, and you see we get a risk to reward in this case of 1 to 5.6. And of course you can take partials at untested levels of resistance, for instance, to secure your trade. As I said, this is a kind of light version of my MBE strategy, for which I'm writing an ebook at the moment, and if you are a TG member on my Discord, you can get it for free. The link to become a member is in the description below. You can use YouTube membership or Patreon. If you need a good broker with low spreads and low commissions, I recommend Hankotrade. They have spreads as low as 0 pips, a leverage up to 500, and it is totally simple to start. You just register on their website and just go ahead and trade. Give it a try, the link is in the description below. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video and the channel. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Discord community and become a TG member. If you still have any questions, then add these to the comments. Follow me on Twitter and I'll see you in the next one here on the Trading Guide.